My belly's growling. I'm like moving around so anxiously. But let's get into this. Hey guys, my name is Mira, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm going to be getting into a really fun video today. I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of my recent pickups that I've been accumulating over the past few months. Really excited to get into these with you guys. A lot of them are also on my wish list, so I'm excited as well to actually finally have them all open so that I can really get into outfits and putting fits together. I'm not sure if you guys are like me, but I definitely have a little corner where I kind of like let pieces that I've recently purchased pile up in a corner, looking at it and kind of getting excited like it's Christmas. I'm like, ooh, can't wait to open up my gifts. Like, I know exactly what's in there. But yeah, let's get into them. So, the first thing I purchased, I'm really, really happy about because I would see them all the time and I would look at the price tag and I was like, I can't into Urban Outfitters kind of recently during their sale, and I seen that the pants that I've been wanting were like 50% off, and I was like, absolutely, yes, I can. So here they are. It's these kind of pajama style pants, like sweatpants, and I did get it in a size large, even though I'm a size small. They have a cinched bottom, and I think the different colorways and patches are so playful and fun. I also really love the lace detailing. So cute. It has like the plaid detailing with like lace. Yeah, love these pants. So cute. This is the first item. Next, let's get into these sweatpants that I recently purchased from Uniqlo. I actually love them so much. I've been eyeing them for a while. And after my partner got Uniqlo sweatpants for Christmas, I was like, let me go see what they have. It's these like Uniqlo in collaboration with C. Don't really know what that stands for. It's their C collection. I really, really like this detailing on the legs. It has a back pocket as well as drawstring on the inside. So I really, really like these pieces. They're like wide legs. Since I purchased them, I've been overly doing it. Definitely grab yourself a pair if you can. I think these are really, really cute. And I am a low rise girly, so I would say that if you're someone that likes to wear your sweatpants a little bit more low rise, these are very flattering and help accomplish that. I have a few pieces for tops. First, it's one of these little like mini cardigans that you kind of throw over your shoulders and they just mostly cover up your arm. Definitely a piece that I grab for like quite often, I would say. I got these from Simon's. I want to say I might have spent near 50 on this. Do I think that's a reasonable amount? No. But you could definitely find a piece very similar for a much more reasonable price. So do that. But if you're like me and you see something in person, you're like, I need that, get it. Very, very soft material, very cute. Love it. Worn it so much. Adidas was having a sale as well, a really, really good sale at that. And they had this top that I really wanted, and I went back in there. I didn't remember. And when I went back, I was like, need. I didn't even think. This really cute jersey. The colors, like, I'm a turquoise girl. This is not turquoise, of course, but just like that light blue, ocean blue, turquoise, like, I love all of that. And so I thought that this was like a really cute, again, very playful in colors. I'm really excited to style these, and I already have like images of how I want to style this in my head. Next piece, I didn't purchase it. My partner actually got it for me for Christmas, but I love it so much. It's this Susie tee. I fell in love with this t-shirt when him and I went to the store, and I'm assuming that's what inspired him to purchase it for me. But the back is so cool, the front so cool. Yeah, love love this tee. Can't wait to play around and style it. It definitely reminds me of a t-shirt that I had before, and I love that t-shirt so much. So this is like a perfect replacement for that. Shout out him. Last but not least, Aritzia. Like, how could I not? If you know, you know. If you've watched my videos, then you know. So I'm gonna unbox this on camera with you guys. I love how Aritzia packages. That's such a cute sticker. They should have definitely put an extra one. Yeah, as I was saying, I really love the imagery that Aritzia uses on their packaging. I think it's so fun and cute. Like, look at this random ladybug, and then look at this cute ladybug sticker. Okay, next piece. Look at this. This is so cute. I love it. I love it. A very slouchy kind of, it's not a cardigan, it's like a kind of cross v-neck sweater situation going on here. I saw it in gray and was really tempted. I can't with gray again. Like, I need to get color. And so I got this dusty pink one. Like, look at the color. Like, look at the pink against my skin tone. This next piece, I'm really excited about styling. It's this like choker, and I got this custom made actually by a creator named Amber, I believe. And I can put her page right here. You can wear it two ways. You can wear it like this with tassels hanging. You can tie the tassels. You can wear it like this with your tassels hanging along your back as well, especially if you have like maybe an open back top. This would be really flattering to just have as detailing. So yeah, reached out, chatted with them. Really sweet. Customer service is amazing. The patience is amazing. Yeah, love this. I have two more pieces to show you guys. I think if you were on Pinterest last year, like we probably all had this um in one of our boards for like closet styles or like inspo. I would see them in browns, and they had a specific style that was like, I actually really like this. It was definitely a little bit different than your regular boot that you would see. Hunter boot. Look at this, guys. Like, come on. This is the next piece I got. These are hunter boots. This one has more of a wedge style. Love these boots. Like, they're so cute. I've been wanting hunter boots for so long now. When you look at hunter boots, you just think functional and you think it's supposed to be worn in a swamp of water catching fish. Um, I would say that this one kind of has a more of a stylish look to it, but I probably will end up wearing it for its use for sure. Last but not least, another pair of shoes that I've been wanting for a long time now. This was actually a gift from my mom. Shout out mom. I feel like everyone should have a pair of these, but also too, as someone that like, you know, my back hurts after standing for long periods of time, it's really important to get supportive shoes. I am an advocate for those 5-toe finger shoes. I do think it's important to get shoes that can support you as well, and so that's where this one comes in. And these ones I've been wanting for a while now. Solomon's, they have like that detailing. Yeah, been working out more, and I mean, this isn't necessarily a workout shoe. This is definitely more for outside and like hiking, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, my mom was like, you're working out now and I'm so proud of you, and I want to see you in like different workout clothes and shoes, and so she purchased this one for me. Sorry mom, I probably won't work out in this as much as you're expecting me to, but I still think it's an important shoe to have. Can't wait to style these. Really excited and very grateful to get them. They are pretty pricey shoes in my opinion, but like trying them on, I do understand why. Yeah, really excited for these. laughing at the fact that this mic was not even on for the last few clips, and I'm just realizing going through some stuff. But thank you so much for watching. Regardless, I really appreciate it if you've stayed this far. If you're liking the pieces that I purchased and would like to see me put some of these pieces together and, get some fits off, let me know in the comments down below and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.